Let's talk about anxiety today. All of us go into an anxiety state once, twice, or many times a day, including myself. Some people who are all the time anxious, fearful, and self doubt and angry about something is hurting them, and some self doubts about one's own self and whatever else is happening around them is a state of anxiety. Something is coming, some event is coming, and one is anxious. You have to go somewhere, travel somewhere, and you are anxious. Some amount of anxiety is good. It helps us to perform well about it. But when the anxiety overwhelms us and paralyzes us and affects our performance otherwise, then that is to be taken care of and that must be worked on. And it's the different forms of anxiety, like general anxiety disorder, and we say disorder because it is overwhelming anxiety about something, it is affecting your performance. Obsessive compulsive disorder, this is also part of anxiety, this disorder of compulsive thinking and obsessive thinking, and this is to be taken care of. And then fears, unknown fears, and generally remaining in fears, that is also wrong. And then social phobia, like you don't like to meet people, and when you meet people you have apprehensions about it, and then you can't really work with them and you avoid them. Again, that is part of anxiety. So there are so many forms of anxiety, and one may say that if we do meditation, it will help us. Of course it helps. If we do exercise, it's good. You bring lifestyle changes to help anxiety, and then you eat proper food, right? And then you meet proper people and vent out your what were you doing. It's good. However, we cannot stick to doing all this when we are in an anxious state. So then 1 minute wonder comes to our help, and it helps us really well. And anxiety has some physical forms in the body as well. So you take care of that. And anxiety means so many symptoms of anxiety. So when we work with the OMW, we work through the symptoms of anxiety. We go into specificity. Everyone may be having different symptoms. So you take care of their symptoms as they speak it out, one by one, or initially all together, we tap, and then one by one. So let's practice how to take care of anxiety right now. Go into an anxious moment, or when you were anxious at some time, give it a number on the SUD scale. That means on a scale of 0 to 10, give it a number. Maybe your number at right now is 7. Let's say it's 7. Now think of that moment which causes anxiety for you. Think about it. Got it? Alright. Now let's tap. Anxiety. Even though there is this anxiety about that, we'll say anxiety. Deep breath. I love myself and accept myself. I can't help it. Deep breath. I love myself and accept myself. It is too much. I get overwhelmed. Deep breath. I love myself and accept myself. My mouth goes dry. I have palpitation. The fears inside me. I have compulsive thoughts. Something wrong will happen. There will be a disaster. All negative thinking. Deep breath. Love myself and accept myself. Deep breath. Love myself and accept some anxiety, some deep breath. Love myself and accept myself. Little deep breath. Love myself and accept myself. This anxiety, that anxiety, their anxiety, upper lip anxiety in my chest, anxiety in my thoughts. I feel anxiety in my body, in my breath. I think low of myself. I'm angry about something, anxiety, these fears inside me, something wrong may not happen. Even though it is so deep breath, I love myself and accept myself. Some deep breath, love myself and accept myself. Little deep breath, love myself and accept my. It's really becoming little. Still little, 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 little. Even though there is still little deep breath, I love myself and accept myself. Love myself and accept. Still very, very little deep breath. Love myself and accept. Still very, very, very little deep breath. Love myself and accept myself. Love myself and I choose to be different. I choose to think differently. I choose to be in the present moment, this moment. I choose to be prepared to handle what comes. Preparation, mental, emotional, physical preparation. When? In the present moment, this moment is everything. What is to come? Let it come. Unrealistic thinking, obsessive thinking. Oh, I realize it's obsessive thinking. I'm aware I am not my thinking. My thinking is different. I am different. I am. I manage my emotions, manage my fears, manage my thinking. I'm looking at myself from a distance. As I detach myself from myself, I manage things differently now, do things differently, and I feel good, relaxed. I'm feeling relaxed as if it is flown out of my body through my feet, gone totally, and a relaxation is coming over me. Confident, loving myself as I am, feeling good about myself. I can sleep better now. I can talk better with myself and with others. Relax more and more. Thank you, God, for all your blessings. Okay, before we finish, let's do a little bit of meditation. Ready for the meditation? Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Relax. Relax your whole body from head to feet. Relax with no sound. As I say, elongate, relax, relax, deeper, deeper, from head to toe, all muscles and tissues feel relaxed. Feel your breath relaxed. You feel good. Relaxation is opposite of anxiety. So allow yourself to relax now. You're ready to do that. Enjoy this feeling of being relaxed. Relaxed breath, relaxed heart, relaxed mind, relaxed body. Enjoy it. Feel good about yourself. Take a deep breath. Good, you have done very well. I can see that. I'll now count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you open your eyes. Feel happy, refreshed, relaxed, and better than before in every way. 1. Feeling good. 2. Coming back to your full awareness of mind, body, and soul. 3. Relaxed now and relaxed in future. And you handle things differently, remaining in the present moment, being prepared for what is to come, taking action. Thank you.